Hi, and welcome to HydroSphere. HydroSphere is a real-time and continuous seawater monitoring system. The Florida State University Coastal and Marine Laboratory currently has 3 public sites: the FSUCML Seawater Intake, Alligator Harbor, and Oyster Bay, with more sites being established soon. This video will give you an overview on how to use the HydroSphere site. You can click on each of the individual sites to view real-time measurements of various data points, including temperature, conductivity, pH, salinity, depth, turbidity, and more. Next, we will go back to the FSUCML Seawater Intake site and click View Site. On this page, you can view up to 3 charts detailing out different data points. First, we select Exodata. Then, we can choose what parameters of data we would like to view. Let's choose temperature and pH. Next, we will select the dates of data collection. Options include last day, last week, last month, last year, or a custom range. For this exercise, we will choose March 4th through the 11th. Once we have selected our dates, we can click the Studies tab, which will show us the maximum, minimum, and average results of the data collected within that range. You can view another charts on the page by scrolling below and clicking Add Chart. Then, we will repeat the process. First, we select Exodata, then our parameters. Let's choose pH and depth. Next, we will select our date range. We will continue with our previous dates of March 4th through the 11th, but you can adjust these to any other date you desire. Now, we have one chart that shows us the temperature and pH of the water, and one that shows us the pH and depth. We can add one more below. Let's choose Exodata, then the parameters, and let's do depth and temperature. Finally, we'll choose our date range, and again, we'll stick with our same dates of March 4th through the 11th. You can download or print this chart by clicking the 3 bars on the right of the panel. You can view in full screen, print chart, or download a PNG, JPEG, PDF, or SVG vector image. Aside from charts and graphs, you can view all data in a table format. To do this, we go to the Table View tab at the top of the page. Here, you have the option to view all data points within a specific date range. Once we put in our custom range of March 4th through the 11th, we can see all the data collected during that time. In order to see more items on a page, you can adjust the number viewable here. As you can see, our SONs, the devices used for collecting the data, take measurements several times a day. All data is collected in Eastern Standard Time, and it is important to note that the data viewed here is not QA/QC'd. This is raw data that has not been analyzed yet. Finally, under Site Information, you can view the site ID, latitude, longitude, and site description. We hope this tutorial was helpful. To access downloadable data information, please fill out the form that is found on our website at www.marinelab.fsu.edu or use the contact information seen here. Thank you!